MIXIN laser filter is a product with independent intellectual property rights. It adopts a double sieve plate and double scraper design to ensure full contact between the melt and the sieve mesh, with a large filtration area and higher output. In practical work, the working frequency of the scraper can be freely set to make filtering more efficient and the service life of the components longer. Compared with traditional filters, it truly achieves continuous filtration without the need for shutdown and screen replacement.